Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace your back glass on your Galaxy S9. As you can see right here, you can buy the back glass for about like 10 bucks on eBay or Amazon, wherever you would like it. You can buy it under 10 bucks. They're pretty cheap right now. So let's start. We'll need to heat up one of these sides and then stick your knife between the frame. Make sure you don't use your knife or something sharp so you don't scratch your frame all the way around. So let's start by heating up. Okay, once you heat it up, use the knife to get between the frame and your glass just to lift it up a little bit. And then once you lift it up a little bit, stick your plastic thing under. And now you can go use that thing to get around pretty much. Okay, let's do this thing. I'll leave it here. And I'm gonna move my plastic thing. Well, heat it up. You'll need to heat it up more to get around. It's coming off. If it doesn't come off easy, use some more heat because it's supposed to come off pretty easy. Okay, it started breaking, so I'm gonna heat up some more. Okay, so let's start in this corner, lift it up. It's really hot, use gloves if you want. It's kind of too late for me. Already almost removed the whole thing. And then now, once you remove this, both sides, this side and then this side and this one, you can just lift it up and then turn it all the way around and it will come off pretty easy. So now you have to remove this fingerprint sensor. So I usually just push it out. I push on it and it comes out pretty easy. Okay, so it came out, so you can install. Sometimes you need to remove this glass also. Some of the back glasses doesn't come with the glass, so you can remove it same way. Just you give it some more heat and then remove it just like this thing, push on it. But this glass I have, it already has the piece of glass in there. So just take your, what I usually do, I usually stick this thing, I apply it here because it's much easier to install it. You don't have to mess then. You can plug it in back. Okay, once you plug it in, then install your back glass. Remove this, the stuff. And now install it perfectly in. Okay, as you can see, it's coming in perfectly, just like new glass. Go all the way around. Apply some force to it so it sits pretty good. Make sure the fingerprint's sitting pretty good too. Everything is good. So you have just like new phone for less than 10 bucks and 5 minutes of work. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and then thumbs up for more likes, and have a good day. Enjoy your phone. Bye bye.